the species value nature system. Long, the value fills. Believes. Lethe of Hades. The value goes. The skyline. Lifts. The value pulls. Call through the souls. Call through your souls. We're in a value nature systems. All value nature systems tactically ulterior. From the only actual lasting complete value nature system. And this is the only complete system as one that works that way. Showing how it is invisible but discernible. The only complete identity onto it has the value. Values unchanging, perfect value nature. Values nature relationship to itself. As with perfect value progression. We are identity, not as a nature of value. As that. Not as positive or negative, but as a positive or negative relationship to itself. As positive or negative in relationship to that identity of perfect value progression. Allah. This is a term of science. This is a term with the Trinity of science. Sciences that were criminally re-engineered before the birth of modern nations, before the birth of modern religions, greatly about this. The human fact treatment nature suffers from nature demonstrating loss of the original nature of internation sciences. Campus Marcius. Trade, ulterior. The legion never was valued not as tribes. Religion trade through sides. Who trial tribes.